Good Thursday morning, everyone, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We have a lot of rain in the forecast today, also dealing with some fog this morning, but here's a look at the current radar this morning. Rain is just starting to work back in, and rain will continue to increase this morning, and it will be heavy at times here. So I mentioned the fog. Here's a picture I took a little bit earlier this morning. Fog is very dense. Best advice would be to leave a little bit early this morning to allow some extra time, as it is a very kind of rough go of it here. We have the fog and then the rain that's going to be coming in on top of this here this morning. So we have the dense fog advisory through 8 this morning, and then we also have a flood watch for Indianapolis. This flood watch will go through 1 o'clock tonight. So here's a look at that forecast, which features heavy rain today. And not only are we dealing with some heavy rain and flooding potential, we are also looking at the potential for some locally strong to severe storms. So it is more of a spring-like day here. We have a slight risk for severe storms. The greatest risk will be for the winds, and then we could see some localized damaging wind gusts as we go into this afternoon. I would say from about noon to about 5 p.m. would be our best time frame here across most of the area. So take a look at the forecast radar. We do expect rain to increase this morning, and there's going to be some pockets of very heavy rain late this morning through the mid-afternoon period, and then we'll see the rain exiting by the time we get to about 6-7 o'clock this evening. We should see the rain starting to taper off out there, but another 1 to 2 inches of rainfall expected through the day today. So going back to the forecast again, once we get past today's inclement weather, it looks much better tomorrow, but just a lot colder. We go from 63 today to 12 tonight. So an incredible drop in temperatures tonight. So watch for some icy spots with that moisture that will refreeze on the roads tonight. And then tomorrow we see lots of sunshine, a beautiful looking day, just very cold, sunny for Saturday as well. And as we go into our Sunday and Monday, we'll see our next chance for some snow showers on Sunday, and maybe mixed with some rain. We could see a light snowfall accumulation, maybe an inch of snow on Sunday. And then as we go into next week, another strong system will work in with some heavy rain again, possible by Tuesday of next week. And the overall pattern, guys, going into the late part of the month will feature multiple systems, mostly rain events for us, with more wintry weather expected to stay just off to our north and west based on the current trends. Thanks for watching this forecast. Hope you guys have a great day, and be sure to stay safe out there.